Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present this Swift SZ-T, finished in pearl white. The vehicle's in great condition. These are the alloys, give you a close up there. 16-inch alloys, all unblemished. SZ-T has some great features. If we take a look inside, you've got the 7-inch colour touchscreen, which allows DAB digital radio, full Bluetooth connectivity with voice command, Apple and Android CarPlay, and the option of sat-nav. You also have the reverse camera, gives you a great clear image with a wide-angle lens. Underneath you've got climate control and handy USB charging point for mobile devices. Steering wheel has integrated controls for the audio and Bluetooth. The interior is in great condition. In the back you've got 3 seats for rear passengers, ISOFIX for added safety and good legroom. You also have the rear tinted privacy glass on 3 sides, which ties in very nicely with the white paintwork. There's 21 months warranty remaining on the vehicle, and it also has full service history, which is main dealer, which means only Suzuki trained technicians have worked on this vehicle.